POV, you're a neglectful plant parent.
Boom, weeds. Boom, weeds. Boom, even more weeds. Boom, one's dead. What does this look like to you? Nothing, because nothing's came up. Yeah, it was bit. You know, this is actually pretty sad because, well, these were supposed to be flowers. Does these look like flowers to you? No, they do not.
Yeah, I'm starting to question my actual green thumb. You know, purple's my favorite color, if you didn't know that already. So, maybe purple thumb, green thumb, just might be two different things. I can clearly see. But I'm actually more fond of having a green thumb. I don't even know if purple thumb was a thing. If it is, hopefully it's a positive term. If it's not, well, I'm gonna have to give it a turn, huh? But you know what? After all this chaos, hello babies. Hi. These ain't my babies, but they're I'm the auntie, right? Hey, well, not really auntie, cousin, no, let's just keep it as, the farmer's daughter. The farmer's daughter. Hello, sweetheart. Y'all looking good today? Y'all looking good today? Yes, ma'am. Y'all looking pretty? Y'all pretty? Y'all pretty? Where y'all going? Can I come with you? But like I was saying, after all that chaos, this is my grape Concord that I planted. Like, when did I plant this? I should have put it in my calendar. But I planted this not too long ago. It's blooming. I'm not really sure what this is. It looks like a leaf, but I mean, it also looks like a flower. Can you see it? Ugh, it's so blurry. I don't exactly know what that means, but I mean, at least it's alive. It's alive to be blooming those colors, right? So it gotta mean some, right? Over here we have the smallest of the bunch, and this is my blackberry with weeds in it. Oh my gosh, weeds, bro. These weeds getting on my nerves, bro. Yeah. I gotta be careful. I don't know what the sharp things be in the plants, but I think it's to protect them, and they be pricking me. I don't like to be pricked. That makes me upset. I don't want that. Being pricked is not fun. But yes, this is my blackberry, and it looks like it's doing absolutely beautifully, actually, even though it's short, you know? Big things come in short packages, they say. So, oh wait, hold on. Wait, actually, yeah, big things come in small packages. That's the thing. Let me just clear this all out for you so you can have room, Mr. Thing. Oh no. Yeah. It's actually close to morning time. I think it's actually noon. So the dirt actually feels really nice. Yeah, last night it actually rained, so today it's actually looking like really cloudy. Like, if you remember back in school, the weather chart, they had you color and stuff, that's what it's looking like. But it's not that bad. I mean, we could use the sun, but you know what? It's beautiful. And of course, we have this recent diva that decided to join the party. And look, it's already producing a strawberry. Soon I'm gonna be able to pick them. Oh my gosh, let's see. I see a flower. It's flowering. Hold on. Y'all see that? Right here. Let's see it. Oh, look. right here. Ah, that's so pretty. Even though it looks dried up, because I'm a neglectful plant parent. Let's see. It's looking actually really healthy in here. I hope I get a lot of strawberries. So you know what I'm gonna do? This summer I was trying to plant like a couple of stuff. I was trying to plant like the beans, as I showed y'all, the watermelon, the corn. That didn't do anything. These two, you know, they decided they don't want to. Actually, no, I don't even think it's that. Cause when I came out here the other day, there was holes in my bucket. You know what holes mean? Freaking squirrels has been in them. And I know darn well I ain't telling those squirrels to come picking at my... They were probably in the trees watching me that day. They were in the trees watching me, and I bet you they came and had a little harvest. They even picked up some of my beans from this one. That's what this one is doing, what it did. But I put 3 beans in there. They should have done came up. So you know what? That's okay. It's okay. Because what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna plant more beans. Yeah, I actually need beans. That's actually part of my what I want to eat more. So this, yeah. I'm probably gonna try again with the fruit for this one, but this definitely gonna be a strawberry. This strawberry. This strawberry. It's gonna be a strawberry for me, y'all. Yeah. I gotta sleep. This side is my sister's side, so I don't really touch her side to avoid any problems. You know, sibling squabbles and all that. Yeah. I need to sleep.